good everyone, how are you all doing? Orchid lover here in Australia. Today I'm gonna show you the exciting event going on for my Phalaenopsis or moth orchids. Here she is. We got two lovely spikes here. One is the main one and really nice and strong, as you can see here. And it got flowers now as well. Months ago, they opened all the blooms from the main spike right here. And this one here, I wish I can show it to you, and the camera will stay focused on this main spike right here. It's nice and strong. And about months ago, this one, they are all open. I got actually 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 beautiful open blooms here. As you can see, the beautiful lovely flowers in here. And then 2 of them are already gone, obviously. And there is 2 more coming. Will be finished, but I thought I'm gonna show you these guys before the blooms will finish completely. And then here is the exciting secondary spike that we have here. This one right here, 2 days ago, it's just opening. It's just about to open like that. And now this buds is completely open. And then this one here, right here, yesterday, I hope the camera will stay focused on this. Anyhow, and this one here, it just opened yesterday. And look at her. I love the color. I see they got a white pointy nose, and then surrounded with very light purple. Yeah guys, we can't find anywhere this kind of orchid, moth orchid, anywhere in Australia's supermarket, or even in Bunnings, or anywhere in the nursery shop. You know, in your local nursery shop, you can find the healthiest orchids ever. You just have to Google it, of course. And also today I'm really so excited to show you guys about these orchids, Phalaenopsis orchids, or we call it phal or moth orchids. And this one got a secondary beautiful, really healthy spike here. This is the main spike, and then the second one, oops, my camera is shaking, and the second one is here. And also the different shade of the first main spike is this one is so nice and thick and look really strong, hardy one, while the other one, the other secondary spike, come on camera, stay and may focus, this one is nice and like really more than half size than the main spike as well. Anyhow, they are all pretty healthy, and I'm really excited to show you today. This one is just blooming here months ago, and I just show it to you because I'm just a little bit busy for the things that we done. And then this one, anyway, we're really getting really crazy. Our weather here in Australia, we've been a lot of bushfire as well, and like mostly, but we're really happy. Some few days we got really big rains and really a lot of rain, so it's really kind of relief, and we're really so happy for that. And even everybody really enjoying the rain, and also we collecting a lot of rain as well, which is really help, and the plants love it. So when I put the rain in the beautiful Phalaenopsis or any plants, succulents, roses, any plants in my collection, whenever I put them, they're really good and they look so happy. And also guys, notice there is also a magic in the rain. They are really a natural one, filtered. So whenever there's a rain, just collect the rain and spray that in your orchids. So that's, I'm just gonna show you, that's another tips of mine, that the reason I bloom really nice orchids, because I'm collecting rain and I use that as well. Well, I guess it depends where you live as well. So where we live is pretty good here, up in the high mountain up. And yeah, anyhow, we come back to this subject. This one just blooming a few months ago, and did you see the color? I always like the nose one, kind of a little bit pointed, not white color here, and then the purple here, light one. And this one is a peach color now, because they already bloom first and this secondary spike, right? So this one is always also beautiful beautiful lip here, a little bit of dotted here, as you can see. I'll open it up. She's so beautiful. See this one? Awesome. And also this one got a purplish as well, so it's really attractive. Actually, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So two of the flower is already gone. So I thought before it will gone totally on me. I'll just show it to you guys, so I make you really inspired every day too. Well, anyhow, we were talking about the secondary spike orchids. Here, I have the camera's focus on me. Here, come on camera, focus now. Here, show you. This one is a newly, like 2 days ago, opening on me, right? So look at this color, so beautiful and lovely color. As you can see, this is the fresh flowers for 2 days, and as you can see here, it's really big different color now. They are more light peach and light purplish and light pinkish than this one here, and just newly nice and virgin fresh flowers. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got only 5 buds left here. The reason I got only 5 buds left because one of the buds, I had a bud loss here because of the weather, but we really don't know the reason why there is a bud loss for the bud orchid. Sometimes either the weather or the change climate or whatever, or in here inside or too hot or too cold. Well, anyhow, this one is really grew really good. 2 days ago, about 2 days ago, this one, it looked exactly like this, and then at the matter of time, it's just opening fully like this now, and it looks so really nice, vivid color. Oh my god, I'm so in love with these orchids. So it depends with the hybrid too, why they really to adjust in the environment where they are. And this one is still in the really beautiful, I got baby leaves now, so you can see everybody, nice and shiny. This one right here. And also, as you can see here, I hope my camera is focused on this, I got new baby roots coming out. Either that is the air roots. The air roots called is outside, and it's always hanging here in the pots. They're not going in the bottom. So either the air roots or the normal roots are going down. So see the roots here, guys, it looks silvery, although I just gave them water about 2 or 3 hours ago. But because of the really summery here in Australia now, so that's what happened. Actually, I always give them spray whenever I can. If I'm not really busy, I give them spray. So that's why it will turn really greenish color, and it won't be silvery like that anymore. Anyhow, I'm really happy and excited to show this to you guys. Look at this very nice healthy air roots. Here you are. There is a baby air roots here. When you call the baby air roots, because when they are just really young, when you give them water, when you shower them water, they are not really turned so green like this color. But when they are a little bit matured, and if you give them water, this one, it will turn nice and green. Now if you give them water, it will just turn silvery like this, which means they are not really absorbing water well because they don't need it a lot. But when they're getting really mature, then they start really absorbing a lot of water. Alright everybody?